how to add opBNB to MetaMask. Hello guys, welcome to another MetaMask tutorial. In this video, you would be learning how you can add opBNB to your MetaMask. Now, to do this is very simple. You can do it manually or your MetaMask extension. So the first thing is to open up a MetaMask extension, just like I have done here. And then once that is done, move to the left side of the screen, the top left corner of the screen to be precise, where you can see your network drop down. Just select it, and then here you can see all of your networks here. If you cannot find the opBNB, just go ahead and click on Add Network. Then after clicking on Add Network, you can see the networks that are available here. So if you can't see the opBNB, just like I'm not seeing here, you can just go ahead and click on Add a Network manually. Alright, so after clicking on Add a Network manually, the first thing would be to enter in the network name. And what is the network name? It is opBNB, opBNB. Alright, and then after doing that, the next thing to do would be to input the RPC URL, the chain ID, the currency symbol, as well as the symbol of and then enter in the block URL as well. So after filling in everything, just go ahead and click on Save, and then as you can see, the network will be added successfully. So that is it. And then if you want to switch to it, you can. If not, you can dismiss it. And then by the time you go back to your network drop down, you will see it here, opBNB mainnet, just like that. So that is it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.